Hi everyone! So, I'm on break and naisipan ko lang gumawa ng what's in my bag. So this is what my bag looks like. Actually, I'm a backpack girly, but since I got a new bag, I got it as a gift, as a birthday gift, and I just wanna wear it. So I'll show you what's inside. So una sa lahat, I got the clip. I always need to have a clamp because I always put my hair up. Anyways, okay, so first thing in my bag is my jacket. I work night shift and obviously malamig. And sometimes kapag gusto kong umidlip, isusuot ko lang ito. And then my hoodie on and then makakatulog na ako. And then the next item in my bag is this makeup bag. I think I got this from Temu. I had it in my old video. So this is what's inside my makeup bag. It's actually also my pencil case-ish. Okay, so I'll show you. Of course, I need to have my day for my baby hair. And then my alcohol or my sanitizer. AirPods. I need to have my AirPods. I got 2 clamps, small clamps. I got my pens that I need for my work, my what do you call this one, pen light and other pens, Sharpie. I even have some clip here, another hair clamp. I don't know why I have so much hair clamp. And then I have my katingko. To all my titas out there, you know the drill. So, konting amoy-amoy lang and then pahid-pahid, functional na ulit. And then, I just want to share with you guys yung perfume na kinaaadikan ko sa ngayon. It's from Luminor. It's the Mimosa Moonlight. So, actually, binili ko lang to try, but I liked it. And it stays so long. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. And then the next item is this jelly powder. It's actually from Etude House. Look, nalaglag. I had to. Anyways, so it looks like this. I'll show you guys. Ganyan siya. And then it comes with a puff. And then here comes the jelly. So this is for when I'm oily and stuff like that. I'm gonna make a separate video using this. So that's that. So yeah, that's it for my makeup bag. And then the next item in my bag is my notebook. I love journaling and writing all my bills and stuff like that. And the next one is my sunglasses. This one has grade in it. And then my baon for tonight is, ang taray ng plastic. My baon for tonight is watermelon. I'm trying to not eat, especially at night, kasi nga, gabi na sis, kakain pa ba tayo? Anyways, and then I got my charger. Usually, I keep that in my makeup bag. I don't know, nakalabas siya. Actually, ginamit ko pala siya. Kakagamit ko lang. So, and then, this also should be in my makeup bag, but I wasn't able to put it on, to put it inside the makeup bag. And then I got my tissue, my facial, and then I got my face tissue and my sunscreen. What else do I have? Umbrella. Oh my gosh, I'm such a mess. And then I got snacks, lots of snacks. I got snacks. And this is cookie. Why do I have a lot of snacks? It's because nagha-hype po ako pagdating na ng 3 a.m. Kasi nga, di ba, hindi ako kumakain. And then, yung last na kain ko is nung hapon pa. Bago ako pumasok sa work. So, mga around 5:30 to 6 p.m. yun pa yung last meal ko. And then around 3 a.m. nagha-hype po na ang bakla day. So kailangan meron akong mga snacks sa bag, which really helps me ha. And then meron kasi itong bulsa na maliit. So on this side, on this pocket, I have my key, house key. I have more lippy products. So I got my Vaseline lip balm. I got my Tower 8 lip balm. I got, this is my favorite. Actually, let's put on. So it's the shade. Ah. See, what I like about this, what I like about this is meron siyang minty effect and very hydrating siya. And then, I got this Rare Beauty. It's a mini size. Kasi, alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi ko naman nauubos yung mga full size na mga makeup. So, and I just wanted to try. Kaya ako bumili. This is in the shade Wonder. I actually like this one. Although hindi siya, nung ginamit ko siya, hindi siya parang hindi siya nag-last. Parang ilang hours lang. Pero anyways, maganda yung shade niya. I like it. And then I also have some more candies. Easy to ano. And then on the side pockets, I usually just put my my cup, my water cup here. And then on the other side, I have a buko juice that I said that I'm gonna eat, but I haven't eaten. Or that I said that I'm gonna drink, but I haven't even drank it yet. I'm just putting it there just in case. So yeah, that's it for my, meron pa pala siyang packet sa likod. Pero walang nakalagay. Yeah, walang nakalagay. So yeah, that's it for my, what's in my bag, my work bag. And I just wanna thank Miss Rona for my bag. I actually like this. It's my mommy bag, it's my work bag, it's my everyday bag. So yeah, that's it for my video. Thank you, bye.